Last time, I talked about the necessity of testing claims. If you aren't testing your ideas, then you're simply not doing any critical thinking. But a useless test is really no better than no test at all. I saved Eric Dubay's first proof for this video. Let's watch that now.
1. The horizon always appears perfectly flat 360 degrees around the observer regardless of altitude. All amateur balloon, rocket, plane, and drone footage show a completely flat horizon over 20+ miles high. Only NASA and other government space agencies show curvature in their fake CGI photos and videos.
What test has Mr. Dubay given us for this claim that the horizon looks flat? He doesn't say, but I presume he suggests that we simply look at the horizon and make a judgment call. Does that count as a test? Yes, it does. So what's the problem? Let me try to illustrate with my strawberry jam again, and to help me out with this, I'd like to introduce my friend, the Strawman. Say hello, Strawman. That jam is raspberry. I'm sorry, what was that? I said that's raspberry jam. It isn't strawberry, it's raspberry. Oh, really? Why do you think that? We were just talking about testing ideas. Can you suggest a way to test this jam to see if it's raspberry or strawberry? Dude, that jam is red. Raspberries are red. It's raspberry jam. Well, yeah, raspberries are red, but so are strawberries. That test doesn't show us anything. Got anything else? See all those little seeds in it? Raspberries are full of tiny little seeds. Like I said, it's gotta be raspberry. Strawberries have seeds too, you know. I'm starting to get the idea that you're not really trying here. The problem with these tests is that they fail to tell the difference between the competing ideas. Red color and tiny seeds are common to both raspberries and strawberries. Those tests tell us nothing. How does this apply to the curve of the horizon? Simple. The standard globe model tells us that we should see a horizon that looks perfectly straight to the naked eye. That's right, and I'd be very surprised if this is the first time you've heard about that. I guarantee Eric Dubay has heard about this by now. So what does the horizon test tell us? It tells us nothing. If you're watching this video because you think the world might be flat, you're welcome here. I'm not telling you it isn't. All I'm saying is that Eric Dubay hasn't shown us any critical thinking. At least, not yet. Before we make any firm decisions, one way or the other, we really should test these claims. And before you use a test to verify a claim, you need to make sure your test is even capable of verifying the claim. For a horizon, that means figuring out how much curvature the globe model requires and then finding a way to measure the curve with enough precision to see if that's there. For strawberry jam, I'm sure we could come up with a way to test for that too.
Thinking is critical because sense is not common.